Hello, in front of me I've got RedMagic controller. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. Firstly, take a look at the top of the original box. Right here we can find RedMagic logo. On the back we can see the image of the controller with specification. Keys, joystick, one-click capture, two mappable back buttons, textured soft rubber grips, and Hall effect analog triggers. Also, here we can find product, model, and name. Right here we can find serial number. Take a look at the insides of the original box. Firstly, we can see this hard case. It's really well crafted. Inside of the case you can find the controller itself and box with manuals. Inside we can also find additional grips for joysticks, and this is the controller itself. We can retract it, thanks to which we can connect smartphone or tab to the controller. On the top we've got two bumpers and two triggers, two analogs, X, Y, A, B keys, option, share button, D-pad, quick capture, and menu button. On the back we can find two mappable buttons. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.